In this video, we are going to learn the proof of 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Here is the figure. In this figure, we have a right angle triangle, right angle at angle B, and this is our angle theta. So our main focus will be on this angle, angle A. Using the Pythagoras theorem, we have AB whole square plus BC whole square is equal to AC whole square, which is our hypotenuse. So we have this equation using the Pythagoras theorem. Now this equation on the left hand side and right hand side, I'll divide both the sides by AB whole square. Let's see what happens after that. So this is what I get if I divide both the sides by AB whole square. Now this gets cancelled out and I get 1 over here. So this will be 1. My second term of the left hand side will become BC divided by AB whole square. I have taken the exponent common as the exponents were same here. Same I'll do for this term. So this becomes AC divided by AB whole square. Now from the figure, we can easily identify that BC is the perpendicular for this angle theta and AB is the base. So perpendicular divided by base gives me tan theta. Now AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the base. So hypotenuse divided by base is sec theta. So I finally get 1 plus tan A whole square is equal to sec A whole square. And this is the final proof of the identity. So here is the proof of second identity as well in a very simple way. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more such maths and science videos.